So everybody wonders what was in their transmission. What condition was the fluid in that they got out in their pan? Well, this one looks like utter crap. The fluid smelled burned, and it is burned. So I'm really glad I took this thing apart. And I'll end up changing this fluid a few times. I want to get the new filter in here, but boy, this fluid is it's real crap. It stinks. This transmission is one of the worst I've ever seen when changing the oil, so that's disturbing. But I had Lucas stop slip, and Lucas stop slip works really good. This thing was not slipping at all. It seemed like it was pretty grabby though when you were in idle with the car in a stoplight. It seemed like it had too much grab, so I'll be curious if the thinner fluid will make the torque converter less chancy. Here's the new filter that I got from FCP Auto in Connecticut. These FCP guys are really good. So this is the original filter. You just slip the filter right into the transmission. There's no effort at all. It doesn't bolt in. You just slip it in, and I guess it'll scavenge off the bottom through that hole, which is pretty amazing that it sucks everything in through that hole. But who are we mere mortals to know how and why Mercedes engineers in Germany designed that filter? So now I'm going to scrub out this crap from the transmission pan.